before Jesus ascended to heaven, He gave a command to His disciples. He said, Matthew 28:19, therefore go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, teaching them to obey all things that I commanded you. And then He promised, and look, I am with you every day, even to the end of the age. I'd like us to focus on this part. I am with you till the end of the age. Can we pause for a moment and reflect on that? And then try to ask yourself, has He been with you all this time? Just like I told Jesus, come restore the story. Why are you sleeping? Are you not worried we're gonna die? Because there will be times in our lives we will entertain that thought if we don't operate from the kingdom. But this is His promise. I am with you. Pero kanina siya, kana pag-ingon ni Jesus, I am with you, ang iyang assurance, anang, has something to do with, that is coming from, therefore go. Meaning, that you have to be in proper alignment sa iyang go, para ang condition na I am with you mo take effect. That's alignment.